So in this part of the tutorial, we are going to talk about how you can add text, titles, and captions to your video. Alright, so let's open our project. Okay, so this is our project. Now, this project is about exercising because as you can see, you have different exercise pictures. If you want to add the title, you come here to the top left corner and you click on text. When you click on text, you come down here, you see text template. Come down, you see title, then click on title. You see the templates that you can use to add your title. So you just come here. If you click on any one, it's going to be downloaded and you will see how the title will appear. So if you come here, you can select the title that you like. Okay, I think I will like this one. So let me select it. I click on it and I can see beautiful day. All right. So you can click this plus sign or you drag it and drop it on top of the track on the timeline so that it can show. So when you click on it, you see that it is showing the title right there. So let me show you how to change the text here. So when you click on this particular title here, come over to the top right corner of your screen, you see the title here and you select it and you change the title to suit your need. So we are writing there types of exercise, and then this is the subtitle. If you like, you can remove it. If you remove it, it will not be there. So if you want to add a subtitle here, you just come here and edit it. So let's say part 1 here. All right. So let's play it and see. If you want to play it, just click here. You see types of exercise part 1. That is cool. Also, so that's just the title. If you want your title to be longer, you just need to drag it down here and you will see that it's going to be longer. Types of exercise, and then the remaining part will come, the part 1. Good. So if you want to adjust this, you can drag it to the left, to the right, to the top, or to the down. So when you come into the middle, you see the lines that cross on the screen shows that it is right on the middle. So you can leave it there so that it can be at the center of it. Now you can adjust your title, you can make it bold, but remember that this is a template. So if you adjust anything here, it's going to change the template. So we've got this already. So let me tell you, if you want to add your title and then adjust it to your taste, like adding the bold, your font color, and things like that, that takes us to the next part of this tutorial, adding text. So if you come here to add your text, this one we call it regular text. So you click on your text here, and then you come to the first one here, you see add text. Then you see here default text. All right, so that is the default text. So the default text has been added. If you click on the text, you come to the right hand side of the text and then you remove the default text and you write here jogging exercise. As you can see, it is not very beautiful, so you can make some changes here for it to be beautiful. You can come here to the font and then you click on the font. Select a font that you like. So let's go down and look for the fonts. We have a lot of fonts here. We have Resolve, we have Point Size, we have Elegant. So let's see the one that is nice. So this is Starry font. As you can see, it is still not very nice, so we leave the font and then we go down to color. You want to change the color, you can pick any color here, but I want to change the color right now. You come here to preset style, then you open it, then you come here. If you click on any of this preset style, and it's going to change the color and the background text for you. That is very nice also. So another thing that you can also change is the font size. So we have changed the font, we have changed the color, the preset color. So after changing your font, you can also change your font size here by coming down here to increase it or decrease it depending on what you want. Then you can come here to select the scale. If you want it to be larger than this, you can just select the scale down here and it is larger, but it is best when it is not very large. Okay, so you can change the opacity here, how you want it to appear. You want it to appear fainting. As you can see, it is disappearing. So you can also increase it if you want. So you can add a stroke here and you change the thickness of the stroke. Good. Of course, if you missed the spelling here, remember we spelled it wrongly jogging exercise, you can come back here and you correct your spelling. Maybe jogging exercise, add the G, correct. Now if you don't want the background, you can change the background color, maybe take it to green, and then reduce the opacity of the background, as you can see. If you don't want the rounded part, you can change the rounded part to maybe a sharp one or a more rounded one. So for me, I prefer a little rounded rectangle. Good. And these are all other options that you may want to apply to your text. So this is maybe shadow. You can increase the shadow, you can decrease the shadow. This is excellent also. Of course, now you can add it anywhere you want to add it, maybe on top here. So let's see where the jogging is starting from. This is where they're starting the jogging. So you can just take it down here and put it there. So they are jogging here and up till this place. That's the jogging, that's the jogging. All right, so let's expand it down here. Good. Jogging exercise. So let's play our video and see how it goes. Types of exercise. You see that? So and then you see jogging exercise. All right, that is cool, not so? So you can shift it down here to this part, and that is cool, perfect. So it's come here again, and you see jogging exercise. So if you click on it here, you can also edit it. Remember, I told you can edit it. If you made a mistake or you want to add something, you can edit it to your taste. So we added here one jogging exercise. So now you may wonder, how do I play it without clicking here? So I use the space bar on my keyboard. So when you press the space bar on your keyboard, it will play without you clicking on this play button. Now let's talk about the caption. The caption, while the person is speaking, will be showing here when it is enabled. But in our video here, we do not have any audio. So let's upload our audio. So we come here and then we double click on the audio that we want to import. So it has been imported into the audio part of our import folder. So we drag it down here and it has been added. So this particular file is coming with the video. Let me extract the audio. Just right click on it as I am doing right now. If you have the video that is coming with an audio, and click on extract audio. Let me look for it. It is here, right here. Click on the extract audio so you can delete the video. All right, so the audio is right here, and let's hear what the audio is saying.
Exercise is one of the most powerful tools for maintaining a healthy body and mind. It not only strengthens muscles and bones, but also improves heart health.
That is cool, right? If the volume is high, you can come down here to reduce the volume so that it will not be so much high for you. Okay, let's continue playing.
And keeps the brain sharp. There are several types of exercise, each with its own unique benefits. Aerobic exercise, also known as cardio, includes activities like running, cycling, swimming.
So did you hear that? You can come back here to your text and then you change it to aerobic exercise. Of course, we were just doing this because we did not have our audio. So you come down here to aerobic exercise. Good. Now we actually want to put our caption on top of this particular video here. So what are we going to do? To enable our caption, you can come down here to the top left corner and then you click on the caption. You see spoken language is English. Make sure that you put it in the language of the audio. So English has been selected already by default. So you come down here, generate. So no need to click on delete current caption because we do not have current caption already. So when you click on generate, you give it a few seconds, it's going to be generated. So it has been generated. As you can see here, these are the captions on top here. So when you take your playhead down here, you are going to see the caption. It is here. So this captions is now covering this our text here. So you can just take it up. Good, that is nice. Now so you click on the caption and you come here. You see templates. You can change the templates of this caption to different type of templates. Let us say you want the caption to appear like this. You click on it and it has changed. So you can adjust your caption, just drag it to anywhere you want to keep it and you just leave it there. Good. So when we play, we are going to see as the caption is appearing.
Exercise is one of the most powerful tools for maintaining a healthy body and mind.
So now let us put it in the full screen and we see. To put it on the full screen, you click here. Then let's play it.
Exercise is one of the most powerful tools for maintaining a healthy body and mind. It not only strengthens muscles and bones, but also improves heart health, boosts energy, reduces stress, and keeps the brain sharp. There are several types of exercise, each with its own unique benefit.
That is cool, right? Very excellent. Okay, now, so let's say that you want to edit your caption and maybe there was the name of a person in the caption and it was wrongly spelled. So you click on the caption, you come here to the top right corner and you can just adjust your caption here. If you adjust something here, so let us say you want to add something like, so here it's saying aerobic exercise. So you click on it. If you want to add maybe like one aerobic exercise, you can just click on that and then you can just add here one. You can change this to initial cap aerobic exercise. That is cool, right? Excellent. So I can play it again and see.
Each with its own unique benefits. Aerobic exercise.
Good. So you actually play around your caption to make a difference. So you can come here also and then increase the fonts and or reduce the fonts. You can leave it where it was before. If you want to change the color, you can change it here. If you want to change the background, you can just select this particular template. If you want to change the opacity, if you want to also select the background manually instead of using the template, you can come down here to this particular background and you select here background, or change it the way you want it, and that is very cool. So this is how you add your text and your caption and your title. Remember, we said title, you come here to text, then you come here to text templates here down here, and then you see the title, you select the title that you want, and then for regular text you come here, you click on the text, you come here to add text. This is the default. You drag it to the timeline and then you select the default text features by coming to the top right corner and then you select the features and you have it here. You can drag it to anywhere you want to place it. All right. And then we also talked about caption. When you add your audio, you come here to caption on the top left corner and then you click on generate. It's going to generate for you automatically. Thank you very much. I hope that as you practice this, you are going to master it and you will become a pro in it. Thanks for watching this part.